All right, moving on. How do we graph? So this is your number line. As you can see, it has arrows on both ends. And what I would always recommend is having a place where you know you're going to begin. And we call this origin. It's 0. It's the origin, the original number, the beginning of everything, 0. So here we have 0. And every single digit I put on here is called a coordinate. So when I want to plot -9, I would actually go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 steps to the left. I write my -9 below, and I put a physical dot. That has now been graphed. You know it's graphed when you have a number below, a dot in the right place. This 0 is not graphed. It's a number below, but it doesn't have the dot. And as you can see, I did not want to plot 0. 4.3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4.3 is a little between 4 and 5. I would put the number below and a plot. So that is how we graph in algebra. I'll remind you of that quite often. Something else I want to review with you is absolute value. Absolute value is distance from 0. That's all it is. It's just distance from 0. So, how far are these numbers from 0? Absolute value of 2. If you look, here is 2. How many steps from 0? 1, 2. Direction doesn't matter. Watch. You ask me to take 2 steps. I take 2 steps towards you. Now you tell me to take 2 steps. I take 2 steps back. Direction doesn't matter. You just tell me how far to walk. 2 steps away from 0, so the absolute value of 2 is 2. How about -3? Here is -3. How many steps from 0? 1, 2, 3. Remember, direction doesn't matter. It's just how far from 0. Here's the absolute value of a half. How far is 1/2 from 0? Well, let's look. Here's a half. It is 1/2 step. If you take 1/2 step from 0, you're a half step away from 0. These lines right here mean absolute value. Now practice.